Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to boost server on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click here, and here as you see you will find your boost. Click on it, and that's it. Here you can boost the server here, and that's how to boost any server on your account on Discord. Easy and quick, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.